I'm Adrian Cook, CEO and Managing Director of Carnarvon Energy. Last week, Santos had their Investor Day presentation, which took well over 2 hours. And what I'm looking to do for our shareholders today is to condense that into about 3 minutes. So firstly, in terms of the market perspective for oil and gas, a really strong showing by Santos around the future of oil and talking about Dorado and how that's going to fit the demand profile later this decade. And secondly, around the gas story in the Bedout and how they're seeing those resources utilising their infrastructure, most particularly for their facilities at Barrow Island. Really keen to hear how excited Kevin Gallagher, the CEO for Santos, is about the project of Dorado, as well as the exploration upside. Vince Santos Stefano, who heads up WA, talked about how we're working on the project for Dorado Phase 1. And really the concentration at this point is to bring the cost down for the development. And that's great on 2 counts. It certainly enhances the return on investment for all the joint venture parties. And for Carnarvon, it makes the funding even simpler than we have it today in terms of reducing the funding of the CapEx. And not to forget for Carnarvon at this point in time, we're already in a fantastic position to fund our share of the Dorado Phase 1 development, with some 183 million of cash and 138 million of carry for the development project. So all we're looking for now is top-up debt, and if we can compress the CapEx, we're compressing the total ask for Carnarvon and making it even simpler. In terms of the gas story, which again, really exciting, it's an area that the joint venture is focused on. The resource potential out in the Bedout is incredible. And again, Kevin Gallagher was saying he was really excited by the opportunity. It's the best exploration acreage in this country. And to be bringing that gas to market is something that we're really excited to be thinking about following the Phase 1 liquids development and bringing that into the domestic market in Western Australia, where we know there is an increasing gap forecast between the supply and demand. So that's a great opportunity for this company, for the joint venture, for the Bedout, for both liquids and gas. We're excited, Santos is excited. Santos calls the Dorado a world-class asset, just like we do. So look, it's been a great 2023, the highlight being the divestment to CPC, strengthened our balance sheet. We're now ready to go from a balance sheet perspective for the development. Not to forget, we also secured the OPP regulatory approval. What we're now focused on within the Carnarvon team is not just the exploration opportunities and the drilling program, but our number one priority is to be FID ready in 2024 for the Dorado project. And all our efforts together with the Santos team to really drive that number one target in 24, we're really looking forward to delivering that for shareholders. So thanks everybody for taking the time to look at this video. I'm looking forward to keeping everybody up to date as we progress through our activities and doing that on a regular basis through these sorts of medium, as well as our ASX updates.